HAKKi. So my company's vision is to create new, new regional industries by promoting the social implementation and R&D and the technology field, and we turn the potential into the impact. And how do we do that? The way is by empowering entrepreneurs. So we know that all founders have brilliant ideas and technologies, but often to get stuck in non-core tasks like accounting and labor management, and also the issue the bills. So we remove those barriers for entrepreneurs from abroad, and we create the environment where they can focus 100% to develop your technology and also cultivate the market into Japan, Japanese market. Yeah.
The echo. The sound settings. Okay. So this is YouTube.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. This one. It's coming up. The sound is still.
I think.
There's still echo.
どこだ?
Ah, ここか.
All right. Okay. 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 Finally. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go. We can see it.
Okay. Thank you. And yes, sorry. So this is a brief introduction of my company service. The one is the growth support. That means my company can provide the digital marketing and also the inside sales function to the entrepreneurs from abroad. So the Japanese market is very unique. So if some of you guys cannot use and speak Japanese, it is strongly difficult to convince Japanese customers to implement your service and technology. So my company can provide the workforce like inside sales, like a call function, and also the digital marketing function to convince the potential customers to have interest in your product. And the second is the back office. I think the almost of your companies try to get the investment or loans to maintain or boost your company's development activities. In that sense, the back office function is very important for your company because especially Japanese local financial institution and venture capitals requires to provide the precise accounting information whether when they consider to give the loan or investment. So setting the good and sophisticated back office function is necessary for your company to grow your company in Japan. And the third is the global support. That is why I'm here today. So my company also provide a global support for international entrepreneurs to enter into Japanese market. And my the global support, the range of the global support is very wide, from startup visa activity to the finding physical housing, your individual like the private setup. Yep. So this here is today's agenda, and I would like to dive into the first one, Okinawa Startup Visa program. I think almost of you is non-Japanese, so the visa issue is very huge. As you might already know, the Japanese government strictly, that made the visa regulation stricter than ever. For example, the required capital asset became the 30 million Japanese yen compared with the 5 million Japanese yen. So, the startup visa program is, let's say, the bridge to change the business manager visa. So, if you truly want to establish your company and also like I say, manage your company in Japan as management layer, all of you need to get a business manager visa. So the startup visa program is very useful for your company and for you. Yes. Firstly, let me share about the Okinawa Global Support Center. So the Okinawa Global Support Center is a dedicated organization supporting international entrepreneurs like you from the earliest stage of launching a business in Japan. This center provides comprehensive support beyond just a startup visa, ensuring a smooth business launch and helping you settle into life in Okinawa. The first capability is the top one, the consultation, the marketing intelligence. So the Japanese, the business information and the situation is very complex, and also the completely different from the US and India and so on. So if you want to grow your business here in Japan, you need to understand Japanese business custom and also the market trend. And the second one is the visa and incorporation support. That is the assistance from the startup visa to the business manager visa. And it including the refers to legal and administrative experts for company registration. Today I will explain about how to establish the Japanese entity. At that section, the professionals like legal lawyers and registration lawyers and administrative lawyers are the key persons, the key roles for your entrepreneurial journey in Japan. Yep. And the third is the business operations and settling in support. And I think that some of you guys have heard from that like LinkedIn or other SNS. It is slightly difficult to open the business bank account in Japan, including individual bank account. But Okinawa Global Support Center successfully, agreed with local financial institutions like Bank of Ryukyu's or the Bank of Okinawa's to help your open your bank account, including a corporate bank account. And the last one is ecosystem integration and networking. So this function is also provided by the OIST, but the Okinawa Global Support Center is one of the initiatives by the Okinawa Prefecture government. So this center can provide the like a comprehensive and overall support for your company's growth. Yes. So the second one is the application step for the startup visa. The step one is plan. So very simple. So planning and planning your business ideas and fill in the business implementation plan. That is required forms or required paper to submit to the Okinawa Prefecture government. So firstly, you should focus on creating and preparing the required documents for the startup visa. That is step one. The step two is the approval by the Okinawa Prefecture government. So if your plan and if your like individual assets, that the amount of the asset is enough to obtain the startup visa, the Okinawa Prefecture government can provide a certificate, letter of the certificate to you. That is the approval, the step two. The step three is the application. The letter of the certification is not visa. It is like a ticket to make your real visa application process easier. So the step three, the application means you start your true visa visa submission process to the immigration office. The immigration office is a Japanese, the national organization. It's like the Ministry of the Economic and Industry. So the step three is the application. The step four is you finally the midterm goal. The starting the preparation for your entrepreneur's journey in Japan. And the next one is eligibility. The recently on the mid of October this year, the whole regulation was changed. The whole regulation by the Japanese national government. The most important thing is the applicant eligibility. But I think you guys in these rooms can satisfy this applicant eligibility. The one is the holding master's or doctoral or professional degrees. The second one is having at least 1 year of business management or administration experience. And so the initial phase of startup visa process, the Okinawa Global Support Center asks you about the whether you satisfy the applicant eligibility or not. And if you can satisfy the applicant eligibility, the next consideration is the business scale. So the business scale is also one of the important things to get the startup visa. Because these two requirements is connected to the business manager visa. So as I explained earlier, the startup visa is a bridge of business management visa. So Okinawa Prefecture government also think about the business scale and if the whether the potential applicants have enough assets and have enough plan as a startup company. So please understand and remember these two eligibility and the term and condition is very important to apply the startup visa. And the next one is business areas of strategic importance to Okinawa. And these four areas, I think the Okinawa Prefecture government explained the overview of these strategic focus areas at the previous session. So I will briefly explain about the four things. The one is the next generation tourism, and the second is the health and the wellness innovation, and the third is the smart energy solutions. The last one is the circular economy breakthrough. Yes. So these areas are strongly connected to the issues of Okinawa. So if your startup idea can solve Okinawa's regional issues, that means that your ideas can satisfy these four areas. Yep. And the next is the goal of startup visa. That is to obtain the business manager visa. So the startup visa is a preparatory phase to launch your startup business. Your primary objective is to use this startup visa period effectively to build a startup business and meet the all requirements to obtain the business manager visa. When you apply for the business manager visa, you must meet these requirements within your startup visa period. So I write the header, some of the requirements to obtain a business manager visa. So these 5 requirements is the part of the requirements. And the Okinawa Global Support Center cannot support completely to get the business manager visa because the Okinawa Global Support Center is strongly specified with the startup visa program. So yes, so as you can see, the most important requirement is the paid-in capital of at least 30 million Japanese yen. And if you have 30 million Japanese yen, initially you can definitely hire the one full-time employee initially, and also all of you have hold master's or doctoral or professional degrees, and definitely you can overcome the 3 years of business management or administration experience. So the most important criteria is the capital, the amount of the your personal assets, to be able to invest in. Yeah. And this list is the all of the required documents to apply the startup visa. Yeah. And then you can see all of the required documents on the web page of the Okinawa Prefecture government. Yes, so please scan the QR code. Okay. Yep. So this paper is a part of the business implementation plan. So this is as you can see, you can understand each sections in English. So I think all of the applicants can easily fill in the necessary information. to follow, following by the this paper. And the Okinawa prefectural government also, try to deeply understand the this business implementation plan to, to understand your whole business ideas and what kind of business you are trying to, and also what kind of capital planning you are now consider. So, this important information, you can get this important criteria and also the information from this business implementation plan. So I hope all of you access the Okinawa Prefectural Government website and also try to deeply understand this information. Yes, and if you successfully get the startup visa from immigration office, you have 3 obligations after acquiring the visa. The one is the monthly progress reporting. So startup visa is for the preparative period to transfer the business management visa. So Okinawa Prefectural Government try to understand your preparatory activity situation. So you need to share your latest situation towards the establishing your company. And the second is a commitment to your business. So the visa is for your startup only. I mean, you are not allowed to do other part-time job to earn the money to live. So before entering into Japan, you need to secure the enough amount of saving to maintain your life. This is a very important thing. And the last one is a contribution to the Okinawa startup ecosystem. So the Okinawa Prefectural Government provide a startup visa program to stimulate the regional startup ecosystem. So after getting the startup visa, you need to contribute the local startup ecosystem, like attend the event or sharing your entrepreneur experience to the other local entrepreneurs. Yes. So this is a summary of Okinawa Startup Visa program. So the key point is there are 3 key points. The one is a startup visa allows you to stay in Okinawa for business preparation to create a startup business. So that is a preparation. And the second is provide the initially 1 year to prepare and the contingent on the approval of your business plan by Okinawa Prefecture Government. And the last one is the goal is to meet the requirements to acquire the business manager visa. Yes, so I think some of you can directly apply the business manager visa if I think there's some guy can have enough amount of saving, like over 30 million Japanese yen. So if you have enough amount of money, it is a good choice to directly get the business manager visa. Yep. Okay, so from now on, I would like to move the how to register and establish a company in Japan. So do you have any questions regarding the startup visa program right now? If you have, I'd like to answer your question. No? Mm. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So right now, so this is the like additional information for you. The right now the Okinawa Global Support Center has uh, has get the 50 inquiries from all over the world. The but some of like inquiries, some people can prepare almost the 30 million Japanese yen to invest in and also to prepare the prepaid paid-in capital. And the Okinawa Prefectural government also tried to create a structure to introduce the venture capitals to prepare to help preparation of paid-in capital 30 million Japanese yen. Like you can also recognize as a paid-in capital if you successfully get the investment. That is why the investment is asset. So the important thing is that the loan is not recognized as an asset. Loan is a debt. So loan is not, I cannot add as a paid-in capital. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the company registration section. Yes. So this is a brief. To briefly understand the establishment guideline or procedure. The one is the process of establishing a 株式会社 HAKKi, and second is the statutory cost, actual expenses, and the third one is outsourcing and the capital. Second, I mean the other costs, and the last one is the summary. Yes. So the process of establishing 株式会社 HAKKi consists of the 6 parts. The phase 1 is preparation. That includes the searching and clarifying your company name and the physical address and the amount of the capital asset and so on. And the phase 2. HAKKi is like a shared company, not a limited liability company. It's like the company can issue the common shares. Private limited. So you mean the president or the private limited can issue the share, right? Okay. Yes. That's just almost the same. Yes. So that if you want to initial public offering in Japan, you need to create the 株式会社 HAKKi. Okay. Yes. Yep. And the phase 1, the preparation. Phase 2 is documentation, and the phase 3 is the registration. I have my own company, so I've already done the same procedure, but I strongly recommend you to utilize the professionals to save your time. Yeah, and that is why I recommend is here. These 6 steps is the to incorporation process. The one is determine the basic information, and the second, create a company seal, income. Like a income, yes, exactly. Income is I think the Japanese like a traditional, like I can say, identification. So yes, corporate stamp. So you need to create a corporate stamp, and the third one is create and prepare the article of incorporation. The fourth is payment of capital. So if you directly, stay in Japan as a business manager visa, at the time that you need to invest in the 30 million Japanese yen as a capital asset initial, as a the payment of capital phase. And the fifth one is the registration filing, and the last one is post incorporation. So I think that you like maybe shocked to that you need to do the a lot of procedures just only establish a company. But I think the post incorporation process is also complicated, and also I can say the terrible situation for your company, because as after the incorporation, you need to submit required documents to the tax office and the social insurance pension office and prefecture government. So establishing incorporation is just a start to deal with the bunch of stuffs like a paperwork. So and from my experiences, almost international entrepreneurs forget to deal with the post-incorporation process. So please aware that the post-incorporation process is also significant for your company. And yes, so the cost breakdown of the incorporation. So there are 4 mandatory government fees. The one is a certification fee. The second is the revenue stamps, and the third is the registration tax, and the fourth is the certificates. Yes. So I think the registration tax is changeable, depends on your capital, the amount of the capital asset. But at the minimum, the 150K Japanese yen is required to register the company itself. Yes, and the cost note, the certification fee tiers. Yes, so this is you can easily find detailed information regarding the certification fee on the web. So please search this information on the web by yourself. And but I strongly recommend you to hire the registration lawyer. So the registration lawyer can cover all process on behalf of you. So that means that you can easily reduce your stress and administrative work. Yes. Yes, I mean that yes, professional fees means the registration, the hiring the registration lawyer. And yes, the second is the company seal creation. So if you want a very expensive company seal, you can easily raise your company see price, like for example, the elephant on other expensive and invaluable ingredients can be used for the company sale. And the last one is the capital. Yes. And this is just for your information. During the US startup visa period, you can establish your company. So, the startup visa is for the preparation period for the business manager visa, but startup visa period, you can establish your own company. At that time, the amount of the capital, the paid-in capital, is not necessary to prepare the 30 million Japanese yen, because in the period you need to secure or raise 30 million Japanese yen. This kind of activity is also included as a preparation activity in startup visa. Yes, this is a summary of the cost of the company incorporation. Yes, so almost the required amount is approximately 200K, from 200K to 250K as the initial expenses. And the second is the higher end price if capital is Japanese 30 million Japanese yen due to the registration. Tax is also higher than the 150K Japanese yen. Yes. So the important note on capital is also written in the last one. So I frequently, get a similar question from international entrepreneurs. So the paid-in capital is not expenses. This is like a saving of company. So you can use the paid-in capital to purchase your required stuff to develop your products, and also that you can use this money as a sales outsourcing fee or other kind of company's activities expenses. Yeah. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information helps you clarify your necessary activity in Japan. Thank you.